As always, be patient and don't skip ahead so you don't miss a single one of them. Just before I show you these websites, I need to remind you that they won't make you rich in any way, shape, or form. However, they are a fantastic way to make some money quickly and with little effort. The website TresoreTrooper.com. First thing you'll notice is that it does appear dated, and this is not a surprise, given that the site was launched in 2005 as you can see at the bottom of the page. The fact that it's one of the oldest online money-making platforms means that it is legitimate, otherwise, it would have long since vanished. To the left, you can see that users of this website have earned nearly $8 million. You can view the payment proof by clicking just below. For those who are unsure of the site's availability, it is still active. It has a wide variety of options, and you can divide them into 3 categories, or offers, surveys and games. Offers consist of filling out forms, sampling products, earning money through searches, and completing tasks, so you can choose from some of these and see which ones you'd like the most. Even if you don't like them, this site does pay competitive rates. As far as you can do on here to get paid, it's most likely worldwide as far as you can do to get paid. You'll be paid $1 per survey, which isn't a lot of money, but it's significantly more than other websites, which is what matters the most to us. The games are also a very nice option, and they can be fun if you don't have a lot of time. However, overall, I wouldn't recommend other sites because selling online sites won't pay you that much, and I just don't find them worthwhile. Because I'm sure you could handle that on your own. Now, the second site we'll be discussing today is called Surveyor.com, and as you can probably guess by now, this one pays you for completing various surveys, which is exactly what it says on their homepage. It also shows us that it's available all over the world, which is again very important to us. More information is available below, and I'll get to it in a moment. So it's not just a paid survey site per se. Here you can see how you can get paid, and PayPal, as is usually the case, is available for this website with other options. In case you aren't a big fan of PayPal, if you want to see all the different ways you can get paid, just click on Discover All the Awards. They have some information on how you can make money online and other cool stuff. First of all, as I promised, this website is accessible in 123 countries worldwide. As a result, we are discussing a nearly universally accessible site that allows users to sign up from 5 different continents. 4 languages are used on the website. There are 2 million registered users, so this is a very nice addition that I don't think many sites out there have. The user profile and surveys are in the language of the country you live in, see the list here, but if that wasn't good enough, this site will show you surveys in the language of the country you are coming from. So if you're not from the US or whatever, and English is not your native language, or you simply don't know it that well, that doesn't matter. Click here to sign up for surveys. Once you submit your information, you can continue. As you can see, you can sign up for the 3rd website on my list today, Presarable.com. And you can start earning money online right away by completing a variety of surveys. As you can see below, PayPal, Amazon, Visa, Steam, and eBay all offer the option of receiving payment in gift cards or cash. This is fantastic because it gives you a choice. If you prefer to receive payment in cash, that is entirely acceptable. If you'd rather, you may also use a gift card with Google Play. The most popular options are gift cards for Roblox and Amazon.com. They're looking for people who want to complete surveys and earn points that they then exchange for cash. More information on how this works can be found below. Now, a unique and awesome feature on this site is that some people got nice stuff for free. Obviously, you aren't going to get these easily, but there is a slight chance that that's a really good addition to this site in my opinion. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.